Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got a little project today on my buddy's trailer. It's a big equipment trailer he uses to haul his Bobcat around on. And he wants a chain box built for the front of it, so we've got this old diamond plate steel 1/4 inch thick, and we've got some measurements and a drawing, and we're gonna just make an open top box. I may put a lid on it, I'm not sure yet. But here's what we're going to use. It's basically going to be for chains, chain binders, that sort of thing. So here's what we got to work with. He brought me this old piece of metal here, and it's diamond plate steel, about a 1/4 inch thick. And I've got this pattern drawn on here. I'll show you the trailer where it's going to go. So we're going to mount it up here. It's going to basically butt up to this here, but I'm going to bolt it down. I don't want to weld it in case he ever damages this jack. He can still get it off. So we're going to bolt it in. I'm going to use my new plasma cutter, the best arc, and it should rip right through this stuff pretty good. So let me get set up and we'll get to cutting. Alright, I'm going to be using my new best arc plasma cutter, and I did a video on this when I got it. $200 plasma cutter. It'll cut through like 5/8 inch thick material, so real small, real lightweight. So we're going to try it out on this 1/4 inch today. It should breeze right through it. Not too bad. Made quick work of that. Touch it with a grinder, we'll be ready to go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this trapezoid cut out and get the rest of the pieces laid out, and then I'll show you. We'll get it tacked together. Alright, I got all the pieces cut. There's the back piece. And I went ahead and started tacking them together. So I'm going to go ahead and get this back piece tacked on and then weld the whole thing out. I don't think I'm going to weld it solid, probably just 2-inch beads. We'll see how it goes. I think that'll work. Now let me get the back on here. All right, I got it all welded up. Just did the stitch method. Did weld solid the outside corners, all 4 of them. Yeah, got everything ground down. I'm gonna paint it black, but the bottom I'm painting white just because I got extra white, not much black, so just to keep it protected from rust. We'll let that dry a little bit, and then we'll go set it on the trailer and see how it looks. I'll probably paint the back of it too before I put it on there. So not bad. Alright, I got the box sitting on the trailer here. Just started to drill holes. Sits on there pretty nice. Went ahead and painted the back of it black. So yeah, I'm just going to put about 6 or 8 1/4-inch grade 8 bolts in there. And then paint it up, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. Alright, I got 6 bolts in it. Tightened down, and got it all painted up. I think it turned out pretty good. 1/4-inch steel diamond plate. If he decides he wants a lid on it, I'll do that later. Probably just make a lightweight aluminum hinged lid. But he didn't say that he wanted that right now, so we'll see how this works. If he decides he changes his mind, I'll take care of it then. So. Yeah, I also had to fix his bobcat bucket. He snapped this tooth off and the chunk of the blade also. So we had to grind that down and get it welded back in the best we could. We welded the tooth holder to the bucket to strengthen up that where it broke out a corner of the bucket. So we'll see how that holds up. He's about due for a new bucket. This thing's pretty worn. Anyway, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.